Hey there guys, today we'll be painting the Beastman Warrior from Reaper Miniatures to the tabletop level standard. First thing you want to do is get a scalpel or other sharp blade and trim the casting line off the model. Make sure you take care during the step and only cut away from yourself. I've given the model a base coat of nut brown using my airbrush, but you can just as easily do this by hand if you like. Grab an old brush and pop some wolf grey on your palette. Wipe most of the paint off on a rag and then lightly dry brush over the fur areas of the model to bring out the details. Now don't worry if you make a mistake, you can easily cover it with nut brown again at this stage. Give his base a coat of mountain stone. Next, paint his axe handle, his leather cuff and his loincloth with charred brown. Basecoat his axe head and a decorative face on his belt with a mix of blade steel with a little bit of charred brown mixed in. Paint his hooves, teeth and horns with skeleton bone. Now we'll make a thin wash. Take charred brown and heavily dilute it with water or flow improver. Coat the entire model with this and leave it to completely dry before we move on to the next step. Gently dry brush his horns with bleached linen. Finally, paint a highlight line along the sharp edges of his axe with filigree silver. And with that, the model is done. Now don't forget to like and subscribe, check out our other videos, and we will see you next time.